Hello, this is Wakiyan, the director of the US Stock Investment Experiment Lab. In this channel, I engage in US stock investment following predetermined simple rules. I will observe how my assets grow or decline in the long term and honestly report the progress to you about once a month. Since this is an experiment, I deposit a certain amount of money into a real brokerage account and manage it. Please look forward to my monthly report. This time, I, with my 8 years of experience in Forex trading, will talk about the top 6 reasons why I started investing in US stocks based on my own judgment and bias. And finally, I will explain why I chose US stocks instead of Japanese stocks. Let's start with the 6th place reason Forex can be tough. What do you think is challenging about it? It might be a bit difficult, but the answer is mentality. Forex is an investment based on short-term price fluctuations. While it offers the potential for high returns, market volatility can cause significant stress on the mental side. With Forex, leverage of up to 25 times can be applied, allowing trading with accounts much more extensive than your capital. This often leads to account balances going into the negative, requiring additional margin call. In Japan, a negative account balance becomes your debt, so you need to be careful. On the other hand, such a situation is rare in stock investment unless the stock is speculative. Especially with the stable stocks I will be dealing with in this experiment, you can feel safe watching them for the long term. What are stable stocks? Stay tuned for future videos. The 5th place reason. More people have made money with XX. Which investment method has a higher percentage of successful individuals? Forex or stock investing? From my own recollection, I remember roughly a 10% success rate in Forex and a 30% success rate in stock investing over the long term. To verify this, I searched for evidence but couldn't find any. Professor ChatGPT said the percentages are considered low because it is difficult to win long term in Forex. It also mentioned in stock investing, considering the overall market growth and the rise in stock indices, the percentage of individuals who achieve long-term success is relatively high. Considering this information and combining it with my personal experience, I conclude in this video that there are more profitable individuals in stock investing. Please point it out in the comment section if I'm wrong. The 4th place reason. Forex is zero-sum while stocks are XX. While Forex is zero-sum, what about stocks? Yes, the correct answer is plus-sum. Due to its structure, Forex balances the total winnings and total losses among participants. On the other hand, stock investing generally results in a net positive return as stock prices tend to rise with economic growth. The 3rd place reason, I prefer XX over speculation. The concept that opposes speculation is investment, right? So the answer is investment. In general, investment is a strategy aimed at holding assets for an extended period with an expectation of future returns. Speculation, in contrast, aims to profit from short-term price fluctuations in the market. At this age, it becomes difficult for me to invest in speculative investments because my ability to react quickly and make quick judgment is inevitably declining. The 2nd place reason. The 2nd place reason. You can't do XX in Forex. What could that be? At the risk of sounding dogmatic, the answer is long-term holding. In the case of stocks, there is evidence of economic growth. So the equation holds that if you hold for a long period, the price will rise. However, Forex lacks such an evidence, and the long-term direction of exchange rates is uncertain. At least, I don't know. Forex is not suitable for long-term holding, I guess. The first place reason, contributing to society through XX. When you own a stock, you are investing in a company. In other words, regardless of the amount, the money spent on buying stocks becomes the company's capital and contributes to the company's growth and ultimately economic growth. The answer is capital. Making some positive impact on society motivates me in stock investing. Whereas in my limited knowledge, I cannot find that something in Forex that is contributing to society. If you know, please let me know in the comments section. Today's final topic is reasons why I chose US stocks. Here, I will explain why I chose US stocks instead of Japanese stocks to keep the discussion simple. According to materials for Okasan online security customers, as of the end of February 2023, the market capitalization of US stocks was $42.8 trillion, accounting for 42.4% of the world, while the market capitalization of Japanese stocks was $5.5 trillion, accounting for 5.5% of the world. The first reason for investing in US stocks is that the US market is overwhelmingly larger in scale compared to the Japanese market. Also, I kind of feel a sense of potential in the United States as a company. For example, the US has a culture that respects geniuses, an image of adults studying hard, and thriving culture of innovation. Japan is also a good country, but is inferior in terms of innovation because adults spend little time learning and the stakes are high. The second reason for investing in US stocks is the belief that innovation in the US is thriving and contributes to stock prices. Now, let's summarize the key points of this video. 6 reasons for starting US stock investment. The 6th place reason, Forex requires solid mental resilience. The 5th place reason, more people tend to be profitable in stock investments than Forex. The 4th place reason, Forex is zero-sum, stocks are generally a plus-sum game. The 3rd place reason, I prefer investing to speculating. The 2nd place reason, Forex is not suitable for long-term holding. The 1st place reason, capital contributes to society. Reason why I chose US stocks. The US market has a larger scale. The US fosters a culture of innovation. Thank you for watching to the end. In the next video, I will present options trading for beginners. See you all soon.